Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we are creating full stack website using Next.js, and for the backend we are using Strapi CMS without writing single line of code. So yes, without writing single line of code. So for this website we are using Cursor AI for the developing tool, and we are connecting Figma with Cursor using MCP server and converting that all the design home page and property detail page. So currently we are converting these two page into Next.js, and after we are creating this Next.js page into the Strapi CMS. So without wasting time, let's start the tutorial. So first of all, you need to download the Cursor AI. So this is the Cursor AI chatbot, Cursor AI editor, you can see. So first of all, we need to connect this Figma with Cursor. So go to the setting. Here we have option plugins, and here we have Figma. Also you can search here Figma, and I am installing that applications with my folder name is full stack with MCP. I am installing that Figma applications. After I am go to the MCP. Here you can see here we have MCP options also. So I have enabled this one, and reconnect. So it's redirect to your browser. So I have agree, and I click on agree and allow access. After, just wait 2 to 3 seconds. Here you can see it's connected. After we will check it is actually connected or not. I am going to the my Figma. Here we have three design. First of all, we create the home page. So in the home page, you can right click and go to the copy paste as and copy link to selection. Copy this URL. Here we reconfirm it's actually connected or not. So here I writing, please confirm, are you able to access this Figma? Also I give one prompt, don't write code, just let me know, are you able to access or not. It will take some minor time because it's we can say it's not Pro Plus version, it's a Pro version. It's totally depending on your plan. So it's try to connecting and checking all the files and all. So yeah, so yes, I can access that Figma file. Okay, now I'm adding. Can you please create home page in Next.js plus Tailwind? You have another options, not like if you want to use Bootstrap, if you want to use Material UI, based on your requirement. But in our relation, we are using Tailwind. Also, make sure it's Strapi CMS friendly, also friendly, and it's make sure pixel perfect as per the Figma and responsive. Now is planning what is the next move. So you can see here we get that page in chatbot. Now we start to converting in the code. First of all is reading. It is reading. Also, you can see here it's working step by step. It will take some time because I have completed my pro limits. So that's why it's take much time. Now you can see it is created lots of component here based on the Figma. So in the home page we have header component 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have total 4 main components in the home page. Currently it's compiling. So you can see here it is created the home page, and let's check how it created, and actually it's match Figma or not. First of all, can you please run this website? You can see here it is redirect to 3001 port. Now let me check in browser. Wow, you can see here this is the created by Cursor AI, and this is the actually. Okay, we have logo and 3 items. Logo and 3 items. We have options to want to filter options. Okay. Hmm. So it is created 80% of the same structure like Figma. Now make look like this. Nice. It's matched the Figma. As I'm clicking show more button. Yeah, it's working. Actually, it's functional also are worked. Let me check in responsive and change iPhone XR. Menu is good. Okay, this is not working currently. Okay, this is also working. Okay, footer is also responsive. Let me check in Figma. Okay, let me check in big screen. So this is totally responsive. We have checked that. But currently 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the 4 fields are not working right. So we ask to in the finalmost component I want here check in and check out we need a date picker, right? Want date picker in check in and check out. Also able to add guest and in home icon I want to add a city name. City name. Please make it working instead of static. You can see here it's already added hover effect. It's look like good. You can say here everything is good. Let me check in Figma. Let me check depth 20 pixel here. So gap is correct 20 pixel. So we can say it's a pixel perfect as per the Figma. How much? 24 from top. Here I am testing heading top 24 pixel. Yeah, this is also correct. So actually this is 100% as per the Figma. So we don't write the code. Wow. Here you can see uh, it is added already date picker. Also user able to edit the city, Mumbai. Okay, okay. Still they both are not correctly working. So check out and guest, not guest field, not proper working. It is identifying the issue. Okay. So here you can see I have not written single line of code. I'm just handling full stack website just based on the prompt. Now I think it is fixed issue. So issue fixed. Let me check. This is also working. Date. It's working. Nice. You can add and remove using plus and minus icon. So yeah, it's working as per our expectations. So we can say our homepage is completed as per the Figma. So suppose we have not AI tool, right? So as a front-end developer, I think uh, it will take six, 5 to 6 hours for the developing only front end, but it was created in just 10 to 15 minutes. Now we will create this page. It's property detail page. So same thing I am doing. First of all, I am clicking the full page. Here you can see property details. Right click, copy paste as a copy link to section and copy this page URL and ask here, please create property detail page as per the Figma. Make sure it's pixel perfect and response view. Also, it's make sure it's Strapi CMS friendly. So in property detail, we have one header component is common, one, two, and three. So in our property detail page, we have main three sections. First one is look like gallery. Second one is some descriptions and with map, and third one is similar stays. Now you can see it is created the property detail page. So let's check in browser. In the home page, we are clicking on any property. So it's created this. So let me compare with the Figma. So I think it needs some more improvement. So I'm clicking on this component, list hero component, and copy this component links and leave that link into the cursor in property details page. Make sure it's as per the Figma pixel perfect and responsive. Now let's check. So we render that Figma to the chatbot, and now you can see we have successfully created property detail page as per the Figma. In the Figma, you can see this is map. So all amenities, so more button here. It's functional. You can see gallery is also working fine. Also, we have added the zoomer. So more button, it's working fine. So all amenities, it's also working fine. Here map is also correct. So you can see uh, property detail page are fully responsive as per the Figma. So here you see Property detail page in all the devices looks like correct. So home page and property detail page, they both are pixel perfect as per the Figma. Now, without wasting time, let's convert that template into the Strapi. So, before we start converting this website into the Strapi, we checked homepage, homepage is correct, everything is working fine. Now I'm going to property detail page. So here you see property detail page are also working fine and it's a pixel perfect as per the Figma. Now I gave one prompt, please create one create blank Strapi app, or we can say please install blank Strapi app below web folder. Here we have had one more prompt. Don't connect with web folder, just create blank Strapi app. Now it will take some time, it will check node and all the things, and after that it will start to creating Strapi web applications here below the web folder. Now you can see our Strapi applications are created successfully, and in the browser, first of all, it's a redirect to the register admin page. So I am adding the first name, my email ID. Here you can set your password. So I have added and I have updated the password. Yes. So here you see, first of all, when you install your Strapi Blank application, it looks like this. So first of all, when we start the creating the website, so first we create the components here. After this is the single type. Single type mean single pages like home page, about us page, privacy policy page. All these pages are we will add here. And for the collection types means we can say case study listing, blog listing page. We will add here. So we don't need to do anything here. We just give prompt to cursor. Now this is our front end and this is our Strapi. And you can see our Strapi is totally blank. So I gave prompt to the Cursor, please connect Strapi with web front and please create home page dynamic. Also make sure its component size production ready structure. Now uh, it Strapi will connect with the our front end. Now here see it's explore the our front end structure. It will take some time. Now our home page, mean listing page and property detail page both are created from the Strapi side also, and it was configured with the home page and property detail page. So first let's check home page. So in the home page from the Strapi side, just for your information, if you want to add the content or update the content, so we use the content manager. So in the content manager, we have a home page which was created by Cursor AI. Here we have find host for every journey. Okay, so this is our highlighted heading. Okay, and here I have removed that text and publish. Okay, this field is required. So I have add taste and publish. And let me check in front end it's reflected or not. So yeah, it's reflected. So here you see it's updated to find to test, find to again I update and publish and reload. So yeah, so here you see uh, content are totally connected with the front end. So front end and Staffy now totally 100% connected. And suppose I want to change this line, is test text and publish. Let me check here. Okay, yeah. So here you see our hero banner are also dynamic. So all, let me check product listing. So this is the feature listing. Okay. So we have total 16 products. If we count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So all the products are added here. If you count, they all are 16 products. So, and the product are coming from the listing. Here you see, here we have 16 entries. So they all are coming from here. So suppose I want to change this title, okay. So I'm going to bring wood cabin, where is bring wood? So second one is, this is our first. So I'm changing title, bring wood cabin. Uh, just I'm adding text here. And this is image. This is image, publishing. And let me check here. Yeah, here you can see title updated. Also, if you want to change the location, price, if you want to change the price, it will, if you update here. So it will redirect reflecting in the here. Now, also one more thing. Here you see uh, cursor created header and footer separate. So this is good because if we need to create multiple pages every time, we don't need to add that header footer repetitive. So that's why I created. So in the footer have support hosting location, support hosting locations. In support have multiple links. We have multiple links. And let's check the property detail page. Now we going to listing and property name is Redwood Cabin Trace. So this one is property, right? So here you see everything, locations, titles, contents, price are coming from here. I am updating price 684, currently 657 and publish 684, 684. So here you can see price is updated. So everything is coming from the Strapi side. Currently, so this our fully product property detail page are fully coming from the Strapi CMS. All the contents are coming from the Strapi CMS. This photo here you see the photo posted by Mitchell Ward. So they all the things are coming from the Strapi. Okay. So we can say I have not write single line of code. I was just managing all the things using the prompt. Also, if you want to change the structure, like if you don't like the structure and you are expert in this topic and you want to component wise structure, so you have option based on the prompt. Cursor will able to do everything based on your prompt. So in the content type builder, here you see cursor created the component. So in the shared component, it's created footer column links and in property, amenities, gallery image, highlight, host. So everything, every structure is possible in the Strapi CMS just using the cursor AI and prompt. If you are expert in giving the proper prompt, so yeah, everything is possible. So now our this site is fully functional full stack website using Cursor AI. So thank you so much for the watching this video. And if you have any question, please add a question in comment. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.